Hey everyone, Roy here with another video. And I had this frustration with CapCut for PC, and that frustration was it would not update. Every morning when I went to use CapCut, it would pop up and it would say, hey, there's a new version available. But when I clicked install, it would take me to the store and then it wouldn't allow me to upgrade. It would just, the button was gray, like there's nothing there. I even reached out to CapCut through their Facebook group and nobody got back with me. But I figured out how to solve the issue. So if you're having trouble upgrading your CapCut for PC on a Windows PC, from version, I believe it's 1.0.5 to the newest, which I think is 1.3.2, then you need to watch this video. But before you do that, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, ring that notification so you're not left out when I make new videos. And let's get into it. Okay, so here's the problem I was having. You can see I sent this to CapCut. I said, hi, listen, I use CapCut every day and I love it. I have the PC and the mobile versions. I have no issues with the mobile. However, on PC, daily, it says version 1.3 available. When I click the install now, there is no option to the upgrade. Here is what would pop up in the morning. It would say, currently I have version 1.2, excuse me for the 1.0.5. This is what was happening to me. Currently you have version 1.2.0. You would get this pop up. It would say the new version is 1.3. You click install now. Right? And then when you click install now, it would take you to the Microsoft Store and it would just say installed. That's it. Okay. And then when I used the Microsoft Store and I said get updates, it wouldn't update. So I was like, hey, go fix your thing. Never got a response back. But what I ended up doing is just uninstalling CapCut. And coincidentally, I uninstalled CapCut so I could make a video on how to get CapCut on your desktop in the first place. And that fixed my problem, because now, as you can see, I don't have that pop up, and I'm currently running 1.3.2, which is even newer than that other over there. And if I click check for updates, it says I'm currently on the latest version, which is awesome. I like to stay updated. So what you do, right? You have version 1.2 or older, and it's not upgrading. Okay, you need to look for your uninstall programs. So if you go to your search and you type uninstall, you'll see the add remove programs comes up here. You can also go into your settings by clicking the start and the gear, go to your settings, and then go to apps, and then there. Now, what you need to do is find CapCut in the list. There it is, and just uninstall it. See, it's been installed yesterday, which is when I made the video on how to install CapCut, but just uninstall it. Hit the uninstall. I would say keep user data when it asks you. I did. It worked fine. And then just go to the Microsoft Store once you uninstall it and reinstall it. Go to Microsoft Store, come in here as soon as it loads, and search for CapCut. And then just hit the install and download and install it. Mine's already installed, so I don't have the button, but you'll have the button once you uninstall it. And it will install the latest version, which is 1.3.2 currently at the time of making this video, which is January 18th, 2023. Now, I'm hoping that 1.3.2 will automatically update, but if it doesn't, next time this happens, I'm just going to uninstall and reinstall, and that fixed the issue. Now, I'm making this video because I searched YouTube when I had this issue, and I didn't see anybody else with a video on how to actually upgrade the desktop version. So there you go. That's how you upgrade the desktop version. So again, to recap, if you're having issues with CapCut for PC, you need to go uninstall it and reinstall it. When you reinstall it from the Microsoft Store, it will pull the latest version. So they are having their versions updated. I don't know where the issue is in regards to updates. Maybe there's something that they didn't do with Microsoft. CapCut is built by ByteDance, which is a China company. Maybe they don't comply with some of Microsoft's rules. I don't know, but I'm grateful that they have it. I'm glad that it's available for PC because it is an awesome program to have for video editing as you're making your videos on YouTube. That, coupled with Zoom to record your videos, is just a match made in heaven, in my opinion. So go out there, work, build, dream, create, and I'll see you on the next video. Hope you have a good day.